Yes, it's cake tapping time. I have to introduce you to some of my very, very special friends coming out to the sweet, sweet sounds of primetime brass. Come on out, everybody. Here we go. Mayor Dave Jaworski, City of Waterloo. Mayor Barry Verbanovic, City of Kitchener. Regional Chair Ken Sealing, Region of Waterloo. Did he disappear because of my announcement I gave to him last time? No, I'll read Oktoberfest, Dave McNeil. And the girl sure that all of you have Molson beer year-round, keeps it cold, and make sure that your cups are full tonight, Jill Shaver. And our Saxon Prince himself. Alright, so we got the Mopettes. That's when things get crazy and things get out of hand. But the only thing left is actually the keg itself. Where Mopettes didn't bring it out with them. You didn't leave it with Wunder and Bar, did you? They did? Oh no. These guys are even worse than me. We need to chant their names as loud as possible, or else I'm gonna find them out in the parking lot, drowning themselves in this very special keg that we're supposed to be drinking here tonight. So, their names are Wunder and Bar. I'm gonna split you guys up this way. From my angle, actually, I'm just gonna use my arms this time. And what we're gonna do is when I point this side, everyone's gonna yell on this half of the room. So at the back, guy with the orange feather. Yeah, how you doing? Cake tapping time. So from you over is gonna be Wunders. And then everyone on this side is gonna be Bars. And let's get loud enough so that they come out here. So here we go. They're not coming. I might just drink the beer. Call them. Yeah, you look great. Now scream for me. Yes, Wunder. So Wunder, Wunder, Wunder. Scientists. No, this way. Always posing for pictures. Look at this science. Oh, the classic sprint. Oh, what's this? This is a new technique. Is this a Molson approved beer technique? Is this like mixing the hops? Yeah, is this a Molson thing? Yeah? I like it. Ooh! Nice. Das Whippin'. That's a new move. The classic Spindekeg. Yeah, this, in case you didn't know, sometimes we like to make sure that the barley and the hops and everything are mixed properly. And of course, this very impressive. I know it doesn't look like much, but that keg is actually 1,545 pounds. The keg as well. Is he gonna use the protective device? With a guy whose nickname is Hammer Time, you're still not using the device. That is trust. I wouldn't hold it like that. All right, so what we do here is we count. We count in German. We go eins, zwei, drei. That means 1, 2, 3. And then we use my favorite German phrase of all time. Spank that spigot. I know it's German, it's hard to say, but it is a German festival. So, try to say it with me. Eins, zwei, drei, spank that spigot. Alright? Dave, are you ready? How many cake toppings have you done? This is the first one? First one! And he's going without the device. Phil, I really hope that nothing happens. But if it does, may this be a lesson to you. Always use protection. Eins, zwei, drei. Schwaben Club has begun. What a spray. Prosit, ein Prosit, der Gemütlichkeit. Ein Prosit, der Gemütlichkeit. 1, 2, 3, super! Ziggy Zaggy, Ziggy Zaggy. 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 Oi, oi. Ziggy Zaggy, Ziggy Zaggy. Oi, oi, oi. All right, Oktoberfest ist wunderbar. Enjoy tonight.